What if I told you that money doesn't disappear because you earn too little, but because you ignore a few ancient laws of wealth? These laws were written thousands of years ago in Babylon, and they still control money today. The Babylonians believed that wealth was governed by just 5 laws. These laws are revealed in the timeless book, The Richest Man in Babylon. Ignore them, and gold slips away. Follow them, and gold becomes your loyal servant. Most people believe money problems are income problems. They think, if I earn more, everything will be fine. But Akkad, the richest man in Babylon, knew a deeper truth. No matter how much gold people earn, without wisdom, it always disappears. One clear night at the desert oasis of Babylon, travelers gathered around their caravan leader, Calabab. He asked them a simple question. If you were given a bag of gold or a tablet of wisdom, which would you choose? Everyone answered, gold. Calabab smiled and said, gold given without wisdom is quickly wasted. Calabab then told the story of Akkad and his son Nomasir. When Nomasir became a young man, Akkad gave him 2 gifts, a bag of gold and a clay tablet engraved with the 5 laws of gold. Nomasir ignored the wisdom. He trusted friends, gambled on horse races, and invested in businesses he didn't understand. Before long, his gold was gone, and he was forced into hard labor. Only then did he remember the tablet. First law: gold comes gladly and in increasing quantity to anyone who saves at least 1/10 of their earnings for the future. Second law: gold works diligently for the wise owner who invests it carefully, multiplying itself. Third law: gold remains safe when invested under the guidance of wise and experienced people. Fourth law: gold slips away from those who invest in businesses they do not understand. Fifth law: gold flees from those who chase impossible profits, trust dishonest schemes, or act out of greed. By following these laws, Nomasir slowly rebuilt his wealth. This time, his gold stayed, and it grew. After 10 years, he returned to Babylon and gave his father back the original gold, plus 2 additional bags earned through wisdom. Nomasir proved one powerful truth: gold without wisdom is quickly lost. But with wisdom, even small amounts can grow into great wealth. Calabab ended with one question: do you still believe wealth is just luck? If you apply these 5 laws in your life, you can change your financial future. Start today. Like this video, subscribe for more timeless wisdom, and share this with someone who needs it. Thank you for watching. Wishing you success.